Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your homes. So, let's get started with our rest over lesson. So, till page number 71, we have completed. Now, we will do from page number 72. We will learn about these attributes in detail, and as when we proceed with the chapter, adding caption to a table. હવે ટેબલ ઉપર કેપ્શન તમે કેવી રીતે આપી શકો? કેપ્શન ઇન ધ સેન્સ મીન્સ કે એની હેડિંગ જેવું જ હોય છે એ. ઓકે, ટુ ગીવ નેમ ટુ અ ટેબલ, caption tag is used. This tag is required when you display a specific table along with the table name. Table name indicates what the table is for a result purpose, for timetable or for a diet chart. Most of the browser display the content of the caption above the table on a centered fashion. Addition of the following line before the first row of any valid HTML encoded table generates table caption as "This is our timetable." So, if you want to write a heading, okay, before starting of your program, then that thing you can write in your caption tag with the help of the caption tag. So, here is the example caption tag they have written. This is our timetable, you can see, and downside you can see the output also will be there. See, here is the output. So this way you can perform. Caption means basically to give a heading, as how you are giving heading in your notebooks and all. Same way here also, if you want to give heading, then you have to use this tag. Observe that the timetable shown in figure 4.13 is incomplete. Student may complete the same and observe the output. So here it is one day only, and you can do one period only, 11th to 12th. Then you can put each and every period wise and day wise, both the thing you can write here. First period only it is given every day, then same thing you can do for all the days, and for from 9 to 12, or you whichever time you want to select you can do. Now next one is the nested tables. Many times we need to add table within a table. एक table ની અંદર બીજા table, that means nested table. The example shown in code listing 4.10 shows a nested table. Here is the example. This is of nested table example. You can see here output. Inside that, conference activities, this is the main table. Inside it you can see inner table is the teacher and students. So this is the example of nested table. Nested table means एक table ની અંદર બીજો table જે હોય, that means nested table. In one table there is another table, that is known as nested table. Now moving on to next one. See, whatever programs are given here, that you have to perform at your homes if you are having laptop or computers, because right now you are not coming to school. So the better and good way to understand the lessons is the practical. If you will do the practical, then you will understand it easily. Now next, moving on, you might have noticed that the inner table has background color and border. Both the outer as well as inner table have their captions. With captions બેમાં આપ્યા છે, that you can see very well. Now an example of a table. Here is another example of a table. This is a menu chart of a Star Restaurant. Figure 4.15 shows an example of a table that you have practically observed. It is about a menu of a typical Punjabi restaurant containing items of your choices along with prices. So you can see this menu card is here given of a restaurant, and the program, yes, here is the program. This much coding you have to write, then you will get that type of output. Now note that the HTML code given in code listing 4.11 displays a partial table. Students can complete the remaining part of the table by adding similar HTML code. Now next one is frames in HTML. What is frames in HTML? We will see. Frames, you know, in mobile phone you are using different type of frames while clicking your photos. So same way here also frames are given. Frames in an HTML document is used to combine multiple web pages and display them as a single web page. Frame divide a browser window into several parts or sub-windows, each containing an independent web page. By dividing the browser window in many frames, you can handle different HTML code individually and manage loading and reloading of them. A collection of frames in the browser window is known as frame set. So the main what I want to say that if you are making a big program and output is also very much big, then what you